reduce dong to percentages. Kasi
But neither do I want you to reduce it to pure possibilities, because anything is possible.
Is the same as 100 people killed when it's about...
No, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying put it in context. Because when you say that, for example, there's no justification for killing, the assumption is that the government wants to kill everybody.
No, I'm not saying that.
Ang pwede natin pag-usapan dyan, Dong. What is the policy right now which we feel encourages the killing of activists?
All right.
If the president goes on national television praising a known human rights violator, that sends the wrong signal to the troops.
Well, you know, General Palparan can speak for himself, huh? So anyway.
Pangalawa, if you have policy pronouncements, if you have documents from the AFP, they have their manual saying na itong mga legal orgs na to, mga komunista yan, dapat yan i-eliminate, dapat yan i-neutralize. That contributes to the policy.
Itong mga operation plans na ito, dueling op plans na kasi nakakahanap kayo sa militar, nakakahanap din sa kaliwa. Like for example, there was supposedly a document which came out in the papers that said that okay, there's Oplan Bantay Bata. There's also an MPA project to cleanse the legal organizations of infiltrators from the military. I mean, or else go out and increase your offensive, never hitting the military directly because hindi nila kaya yung mga face to face, but hitting, for example, targets of opportunity.
But those are documents of combatants.
I know.
Ibahin naman
but it's hard for you to, I think it's hard to argue on the basis of Oplan Bantay Laya, while on the other hand, arguing on the basis of also NPA, so alleged NPA captured documents. Well,
ang reaction ko ganito, why concentrate on exposing or attacking this issue of killings na ginagawa daw ng militar. Ang point ko dito, bakit hindi naman ninyo i-expose yung mga killings na ginagawa ng mga NPA against civilians? Ang daming civilians na unarmed naman yun na pinatay din ng mga NPA, bakit hindi naman yung ginamit an issue against them? That's why, di mo maiwasan na misinterpret kayo, hindi mo maiwasan na may mga, sabi ko na, may mga emotional na mga biktima.
Sila may figures May figures sila I mean, whether it's 305, 447, 224, I mean, these are the various figures. Ano figures mo sa mga civilians?
Sa amin lang, kasi lang.
Right.
Sa panahon namin, originally, 5 kami nag-ubisa. Dati, puro kami mga dating NPA. Pinatay nila lahat, ako na lang natira. Pinatay nila si journalist Leo Enriquez, si Atty. Billordon, si Engineer Bubulim, si broadcaster Rabing Bilis. At there were many, more than 100 na kasama ko na pinatay nila.
Okay.
Doon sa mga civilians ito
Yeah.
Okay. Now, basahin mo yung libro ni Mr. Garcia, yung, I forgot the name.
Suffer Day.
Suffer Day, comrades. Ilang libo ang sinabi niya doon na pinatay ng mga NPA, pinatay ng mga NPA mismo on the basis of doubts lang or duda lang na mga kwan ito, mga agent ito.
Again, NPA pinag-uusapan natin dito.
So, yun nga.
Again, walang kinalaman nyo sa pagpatay ng mga aktivista.
Hindi nga, sinasabi ko, bakit hindi ninyo gawing issue din yan? Because buhay pa rin yan
They will make it an issue against the NPA because they're the legal organization and the NPA is the underground organization.
That's why, sabi ko, kung hindi ninyo gagawin yan, permanente, yung tao magduda sa inyo palagi. Hindi patas. Bakit yung papa ko na pinatay lang ng, ako anak na sundalo, bakit papa ko lang? Bakit ang organisasyon na papa ko palagi binanatan itong mga taong ito? Bakit yung pumatay sa papa ko hindi na binanatan? So they are just human people. They're just human being. Na may emosyon din yan. So the possibility is, bumanatan din sila.
Even if yung nakikita nila yung bayan, hindi nila nakikita yung NPA. Yung bayan na titirahin nila. Tama ba yun?
Yun ang mangyari.
Yung walang kalaban-laban, yun ang upang.
Hindi ibig sabihin mo, deception. Bakit sabi mo walang kalaban-laban? They are being defended, they are being protected by the NPA. Di bayan mo na sabi, protected by the NPA.
How can you say that? What is your proof?
Those are just allegations. Galing ako doon. Yung proof ko is galing ako doon.
The more you say that,
all right,
the more
let's take a break. Let's take a break muna.